Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to manually adjust your high beams if you want to do that. So from the factory, the Model 3s come with default of auto high beams. So what you want to do is come down here to the car button, hit that, and then of course your main menu will come up. You want to go into lights and then scroll down just a little bit. You'll see auto high beams. So turn that off first of all. Now it's basically your high beams are like your old school car where you control it yourself. So the way you do that is it's basically the same way. The first way, if you just want the high beams on for a second, you can pull back the lever and hold. And as you can see, the high beams will stay on until you let off. And then if you want it to be on for like a minute, whatever, all you need to do is push it forward and you'll see that the high beams are on. So I'll hold it forward and then the high beams will be on with my hand over here for as long as you like. And then just to turn it off, you want to just pull the lever back once and it turns it off. So that's basically it. That's how you work your high beams manually, just like your normal car. It's just that one setting, and that's it. So I hope this helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.